Well guys, I went to Wally World and got me a little spinning reel. It's got that skeletal bail system on it. It's a LEW'S Lite spin, speed spin LS75, and they're like $19.96 or something like that. So it's a pretty good price for, you know, about 20 bucks, and it feels really smooth, casts really good, and feels strong. We will find out. You know, I'll test it good in here because them old 5 and 6 pound grinnels, I put them to the test. But we're going to see how good they are, and if they're pretty good, I'm going to get me a couple more. Oh yeah, it's a good spot. Kind of pull up under them stobs there. Oh, there he is. I got to tighten this drag a little bit. He's not bad. That's a pretty good one. Oh yeah, that's a pretty crappie. He's not a golden crappie, but he's pretty. Another black crappie. We'll take him. There he is. Come on, baby. That's a pretty good one. Yeah. That hook working pretty good. Man, that is a good one. We'll take him. There he is. Oh yeah. Another pretty decent crappie. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Get away from the bank a little bit because they over there. Not bad, not bad. Well guys, here's the lure we're catching the fish on. It's a 1/16 ounce gold beetle spin, a 1/32 ounce jig head hook, and a black Bobby Garland baby shad, and a live minnow. And I hooked this live minnow right behind the eyes. That's a number 2 hook also. So what I'm going to do is sneak in on the backside. As clear as this water is, you can't hardly do much sneaking. But so you got to be kind of stealthy. Just kind of take your time and try not to make real aggressive moves, and just kind of sneak it in there. There he is. Oh yeah. Oh man. What we got here? That's a crappie. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's another good one. He's a good eater. Pretty fish. Put you in there with the rest of them. Ugh. Oh yeah, we'll take him. Should be a fish back in here on the back side of that stick. There he is. Oh, come on baby. There, yeah, another one. He's about the size of the last one. Yeah, he might be a little smaller, but that's all right. We'll take him. Right about back in there, and then you bring it up here to where he might be hanging out, and then you drop it in his face. There he is. Oh yeah, that's a good, pretty good crappie. Oh yeah, he's bigger than I think he is, ain't he? I'll get under him just in case. Oh yeah. That's a fine, mighty fine crappie right there. Oh man, that thing might be one of them pounders. I don't know, he's close. But yeah, he's a pretty good one. He's pretty. All right, let's give him a try. Zero this out. There we go. 99. That's pretty close to a pound. But oh yeah, he's a pretty one. Pretty crappie. We'll take him. Guys, I will use a trilene knot, and the reason is because I end up with the stem, a long stem. I wrap it 10 times and then do the double loop thing. But what I end up with is a long stem that actually sticks away from the beetle spin itself and keeps from doing this loop thing they do. And they get latched in there and you got to pop it loose, and it's bad for your line. So if you do a 10 spin, you know, do 10 repetitions and then loop back through the eye again and make a double loop and go through it, and then you'll end up with that tag, short tag in. Leave your tag in about 1/4 inch. The fish ain't gonna see it. It's no big deal. They don't. This line does not bother them at all. But having that little collar there sticking out keeps it from wrapping so much. It kind of keeps it more pointed out straight. That's one way I tie them. You can use the polymer knot. It's super strong, but it gets wrapped a lot. This don't get it wrapped as much, so that's why I do that. Oh, a good fish. That must be a grinnel. Well, one thing I can say is I'm gonna get to test out this reel. Oh yeah, that's a big one. He's going around the boat, under the boat, wherever he can get. Oh yeah, this old reel's doing pretty good. I'm liking it. Oh yeah, guys, I bought me a LEW'S speed spin, Lite speed It's a LS75. I got it from Wally World for like 20 bucks, and it's doing what I wanted. I was wanting to catch one of these, to be honest, so I could give this reel a try. I've been catching crappie on it, and it's been working great. It casts really smooth and pretty far. And you pair it up with one of these Shakespeare Micro Series Lite action rods, and this is just a 5'6", and I make a 7-footer. You got a pretty good little combo. But yeah, he's giving it a test, and it's doing pretty good. I like it. But anyway, I appreciate the fight there, guy. Let's see if I can get this off of here. He says, not yet, you're not. Okay. There we go. Oh man, they are fun. They ain't worth eating. I think they taste like, well, I hadn't tasted one since I was a kid. And it, you know, when I was a kid, I thought it tasted pretty good, but I don't think so anymore. It's got a, when it gets cold, it like turns to cotton. So it's one of them fish you have to eat when it's hot. But anyway, they are a fun fight. They put on a battle. There he is. Oh, yeah, he feels like a good one, but he's I can't tell. Oh yeah, that's a pretty good one. That's a pretty good one. He's not a pounder, but he's a good crappie. Well, come on, get out of there. Oh yeah, that's a pretty crappie. Another good solid fish. We'll take him. There's another bowfin. No, that's a gar. Spotted gar. And that's a pretty good one. He's a pretty big one. Yeah, they will slice you apart. Look at that big.